Good morning, respected dignitaries, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today, of our Constitution, which guides us with the value of justice, liberty, and equality. With great pride, we welcome you all to our Republic Day celebration.
Public Master Day when India becomes sovereign democratic republic. It reminds us that freedom is meaningful only when we follow our duties with sincerity. This year, India proudly celebrates its 77th Republic Day. Let this day inspire us to be a responsible citizen and work together for a stronger nation.
We extend a warm and respectful welcome to our chief guest and esteemed.
Attention. As the national flag flies high in Villa Heart with emotion and pride, the tricolor stands for courage, peace, progress. It reminds us of countless sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. Let us pledge to uphold the dignity and honor of our nation. My heart warmth. We now request our staff secretary to present a bouquet of flowers to welcome our president of the occasion, respected Dr. Sister Archana, our teachers and all the students. We now present a welcome dance performed by our talented students. This dance reflects our rich cultural heritage and the respect for the nation. Let's enjoy the performance.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयजशीतलां शस्यश्यामलां मातरम्
Now, I may like to invite Priyanka ma'am for addressing the gathering.
True freedom blossoms when values guide our thoughts, words, and action. Respect President of today's August gathering, Dr. Sister Archana, our Provincial Secretary, Sister Darshana, Reverend Vice Principal, Sister Jyoti, our beloved Prime Minister, Head Mistress, Sister Jasmine, honorable dignitaries, respected parents, devoted teachers, and my dear children. A very good morning to one and all. It is my proud privilege to welcome you all on this special occasion. As we gather today on this occasion, our nation continues its journey, guided by the timeless principles enshrined in our Constitution. Principles that remind us to live with integrity, respect, and responsibility. More than a celebration, this day invites quiet reflection on who we are as citizens and how faithfully we uphold these values in our daily lives. We feel truly blessed by the gracious presence of Dr. Sister Archana, whose leadership, wisdom, and deep sense of service inspires us to walk the path of truth and compassion. We warmly welcome Sister Darshana, who is an inspiring and a spiritual leader for all of us. We welcome Sister Jyoti, whose clarity of vision and unwavering commitment strengthen our institution. Sister Jasmine, whose nurturing guidance shapes young hearts with discipline and love. A sincere welcome to the honorable dignitaries, our valued parents, and our dedicated teachers, who together form the moral backbone of our school. And to our dear children,
who are a living hope of tomorrow. May you always stand for what is right and just. Let us move forward today with gratitude in our hearts and values in our actions. With these words, I extend a heartfelt welcome to everyone present and wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.
India's journey is a story of determination, resilience, and vision. The skit Bharat Sutra from Sankalp to Siddhi beautifully portrays how strong resolve leads to national progress. It highlights India's transformation through unity and hard work. Let's witness this inspiring journey of our great nation. Delhi, a landmark. It is a living, breathing testament to human resilience. Today, we don't just speak, we witness the Siddhi born from Sankalp. From the depths of the sacrifice to the heights of the moon, behold the saga of a rising republic.
धूप हो छाँव हो रात हो बरसात हो तू चले धरती चले अन्न की बरसात हो
उत्तर की चोटियों से गूंजती एक हुंकार है। हिमालय के आंगन में बसा वीरों का ये संसार है। We represent the indomitable spirit of the north. When the mountains tremble or the enemy strikes, we stand as an impenetrable bastion of courage. हमने केवल सीमाएं नहीं बचाई, हमने देश का पेट भी भरा है। हरित क्रांति से लेकर कारगिल की जीत तक उत्तर भारत ने हमेशा अपना सर्वस्व न्यौछावर किया है। हम भारत का मस्तक हैं।
उगते सूरज की पहली किरण जहाँ सिंदूर सजाती है, कला, साहित्य और क्रांति की यहाँ एक ही धारा। The East is the cradle of the Indian Renaissance. We turn pens into swords and songs into war cries. Our literature sparked the fire of independence in every Indian heart.
विज्ञान हो या अध्यात्म, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, जगदीश चंद्र बोस से लेकर स्वामी विवेकानंद तक हमने दुनिया को नई दृष्टि दी है। हमारी खनिज संपदा और हमारी बौद्धिक शक्ति ही भारत के विकास का आधार है। साहस की धरती है ये, जहाँ स्वाभिमान की शान है। हम पश्चिम के वासी भारत का भाग्य बनाते हैं। From the historic shores of Sabarmati
to the financial skyscrapers to Mumbai. We are the architects of India's prosperity. We embody the Make in India dream.
हमने श्वेत क्रांति से भारत को आत्मनिर्भर बनाया। छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की स्वराज से लेकर आज के औद्योगिक वैभव तक पश्चिम भारत देश की प्रगति का इंजन है।
शिल्पकला का अद्भुत संगम सागर की गहराई है। दक्षिण भारत की संस्कृति कुदरत का ही खेल है। We bridge the gap between Asian stone and futuristic silicon. From the majestic Chola temples to the launch pads of Sriharikota, we have taken India to the lunar South Pole. हमारी साक्षरता और हमारी तकनीक हमारी सबसे बड़ी शक्ति है। हमने न केवल अपनी परंपराओं को सहेजा है, बल्कि अंतरिक्ष विज्ञान में भी दुनिया को भारत का लोहा मनवाया है।
मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सा दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे।
We do not see state, we only see the soil. When tragedy strikes, be it Pulwama or flood, we are the first to arrive and last to leave.
हमारी वर्दी पर कोई राज्य नहीं लिखा होता, केवल भारत लिखा होता है। हम उसी तिरंगे के लिए जीते हैं और उसी के लिए मरते हैं, जो आप सबके गौरव का प्रतीक है।
Let our unity be your strength. We protect the freedom that you used to build this nation.
This is not just a legal document, it is a charter of life. It ensures that the smallest voice in the east has the same power as the loudest voice in the west.
हमने रियासतों को जोड़ा ताकि एक अखंड भारत बन सके। यह संविधान उस एकता की गारंटी है। यह किसी एक धर्म या जाति का नहीं, बल्कि हर एक भारतीय का रक्षक है।
I am the Constitution and the soul of your republic. Justice, equality and fraternity are my pillars.
A moment comes but rarely in history when we step from the old to the new, when the ages ends. After a long time, long suppressed, a soul of a nation finds utterance. It is fitted that at this solemn moment, we stand together to take the pledge of dedication for the service of India and her people.
On 15th August 1947, India achieved independence after years of struggle and sacrifices.
But independence only freed us from British rule. Yet it did not tell us how to guard ourselves.
India then faced a great question how in such a vast and diverse nation it Indian fairly.
To answer this question, the Constitution Assembly was formed under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Our constitution took nearly 3 years to be drafted, ensuring equality, justice, liberty and fraternity.
It laid down the structure of government, citizens' rights, duties and the rule of law.
On 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India came into force and India became a republic.
But President becomes the head of the nation, chosen by the people, not by the bird. Independence Day celebrates freedom, but Republic Day celebrates democratic governance.
It reminds us that India is ruled by Constitution, not by individuals.
Our constitution is a guiding thread, the true Bharat Sutra that holds the nation together.
Freedom gave us wings. The Constitution gave us direction. हम भारत के लोग भारत को एक संपूर्ण प्रबोध संपन्न लोकतंत्र बनाने का संकल्प लेते हैं. One nation, one vision, one identity. We are India.
अपना जीवन वार जाए, वो फौजी है, वो भारत है, जो हरदम देश बचाए. Now we present a powerful army dance dedicated to the soldiers of our country who protect our border with courage, discipline and power. Please welcome this fauji dance, a great salute to the real heroes of India.
साक्षी, अरे तुमने चक्की रखी या नहीं? दरबार सिंह को बहुत पसंद आती है. कहता है जब भी जाओ भाई, भाभी के हाथ की बनी चक्की जरूर लेकर आना.
दरबार सिंह जी के लिए और सभी के लिए रखी है. वैसे अब आप घर कब आओगे?
अच्छा जी, तो हमारी लाई हुई चूड़ियां पहनी है. अब तो वापसी लेट ही होगी. भाई हम देश के सैनिक जवान हैं, बॉर्डर ही हमारा घर बन चुका है.
जय हिंद.
जय हिंद.
पापा पापा पापा, आप जा रहे हो?
कहाँ बेटा, मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ? मैं तो यही हूँ आपके पास. आप जब भी आवाज दोगे ना तो मैं आ जाऊंगा.
पापा आप दिवाली से पहले आ जाना ना. इस बार साथ मनाएंगे दिवाली.
हाँ बच्चा, आ जाऊंगा.
हो गए तुझे तैयार?
ओ हाँ कुड़िए, वापस अपने जवानों के साथ सेवा पर जाने के लिए ऑलवेज तैयार रहते हैं.
दरबार बेटा, तेरी बड़ी याद आती है. तेरे पापा की भी ऐसे ही याद आती है मैंने.
माँ, शहीद दिलबाग सिंह का बेटा हूँ. अपने वतन खातिर पापा शहीद हुए. शेर पुत्र हूँ, फिकर ना कर. अम्मी रो मत ना. अच्छा मैं कोशिश करूंगा.
अरे बेटा, ये तेरी अम्मी तो बस जब देखो जब रोती रहती है. तू जा, मुल्क की हिफाजत पहले.
भैया इस बार राखी पर कोई बहाना नहीं चलेगा. हाँ भैया, और अगर आप मेरी शादी में नहीं आए ना तो मैं शादी हरगिज नहीं करूंगी.
अरे हाँ, आ जाऊंगा. चलो मैं चलता हूँ, ख्याल रखना अपना. मेरी याद में होके तन्हा तन्हा, मेरे बाद में नैना अश्क न हो. माना कल से होंगे हम दूर. नैना अश्क न हो, नैना अश्क न हो. मैं न लौटा आने वाले साल जो मेरी बढ़ती बोले मेरा हाथ दो. नैना अश्क न हो, ये समझना मैं हूँ मजबूर. नैना अश्क न हो, इस बार तो घर से चिट्ठी नहीं आई।
ओ हाँ यार, मेरी ओटी का भी लेटर नहीं आया।
आ गई भाइयों, चिट्ठी आ गई, घर से संदेशा आया है।
जल्दी घर आना जनाब, आपकी बहुत याद आ रही है। और ये आपकी बेटी दिवाली पर पापा आएंगे कह के परेशान कर दिया। माँ को बहुत चिंता रहती है आपकी, अपना ध्यान ठीक से रखना।
संदेशे आते हैं, हमें तड़पाते हैं, चिट्ठी आती है, पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम भी ये घर सुना सुना है। संदेशे आते हैं, हमें तड़पाते हैं, चिट्ठी आती है, पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम भी ये है सोना सोना। सैनिकों, सीमा पर हमला हुआ है। आई रिपीट, सीमा पर हमला हुआ है। सर, यहाँ पर सिचुएशन कंट्रोल में नहीं है, हमें कुछ करना होगा। मैं आगे जाता हूँ, दरबार आजाद, तुम मुझे कवर दो। चलो 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 चलो। दरबार दरबार उठो, उठो, दरबार आजाद।
अपना हम निभाने चले।
फौजी विक्रम, आजाद और दरबार सिंह शहीद हो गए हैं। सिचुएशन अंडर कंट्रोल। आई रिपीट, अंडर कंट्रोल।
कर्ज अपनी जमीन का चुकाने चले।
पापा अभी तो कहते थे कि मैं यहीं हूँ, कहीं नहीं जा रहा। आप कहाँ गए?
मेरे गाँव में है जो
मैं वापस आऊंगा, मैं वापस आऊंगा, फिर अपने गाँव में किसी की छाँव में, कि माँ के आंचल से गाँव के पीपल से, किसी के काजल से, किया जो वादा था वो निभाऊंगा। एक दिन आऊंगा, एक दिन आऊंगा, एक दिन आऊंगा, एक दिन आऊंगा। ब्रेक, सावधान। मेरे साथियों, हमने अपने 3 जवान खोए हैं। हमारा जीना सहयोग हो सकता है, पर हमारा प्यार, हमारी फसल और हमारा दुश्मन को मारना हमारा परम कर्तव्य है। जब एक जवान आर्मी ज्वाइन करता है, तब से उसका सिर्फ एक ही धर्म होता है, हिंदुस्तान। और जब तक भारतीय सेना सीमा पर जाग रही है, तब तक आप चैन की नींद सो सकते हैं। ये इंडियन आर्मी का आपसे वादा है। ब्रेक, सावधान। ब्रेक, छत को सलामी लगी, सलामी तय। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे बड़ा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे बड़ा गुलिस्ता हमारा है।
Respected Sister Regina, our Assistant Superior, respected Sister Darshana, our Provincial Secretary, respected Sister Jyoti, respected Sister Jasmine, our KG Headmistress, all loving sisters, esteemed parents, my dear teachers, and my most beloved students. This morning, as I had the profound honor of hoisting our national flag, I stood not merely as the principal of this institution, but as a humble citizen of India, overwhelmed by a deep sense of gratitude, pride, and responsibility. As the tricolor unfolded in the open sky, fluttering freely in the wind, it felt as though the soul of the nation was breathing before us, alive, resilient, and eternal. And in that sacred moment, when every eye rose towards the flag and every heart stood in silent reverence, one could feel the weight of history and the promise of the future meeting at a single point. The saffron reminds us of the sacrifice and courage, the white of truth and peace, and the green of hope and good. While the Ashoka Chakra stood firm, urging us never to stop moving on the path of righteousness. To hoist the national flag is not merely a ceremonial act. It is a solemn pledge It's a reminder that we are beneficiaries of immense sacrifice and trustees of a powerful legacy. The pride we feel today must translate into purpose, and the honor we receive must awaken a deeper sense of duty. On this historic day, 26th January, we recall the moment when India chose to govern herself by the ideals of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. The Constitution of India is not just a legal document. It is the moral conscience of our nation, a living promise that every citizen matters and every voice counts. Our freedom was not gifted, it was earned through sacrifice. It was written with the courage of countless freedom fighters, the wisdom of visionary leaders, and the tears of mothers who offered their children for the nation. When we enjoy this freedom today, freedom to learn, freedom to speak, to dream, we must ask ourselves, are we worthy custodians of this hard-earned liberty? Dear students, you are the living constitution of tomorrow. The Republic will be as strong as your character or your values, as honest as your character, and as compassionate as your heart. Patriotism is not confined to grand slogans or ceremonial parades. It is lived quietly. When you choose honesty over shortcuts, discipline over convenience, respect over intolerance, duty over your self-interest. Dear teachers, you are the torch bearers of the Republic. Through every lesson taught with integrity and every child guided with patience, you are shaping citizens who will one day shape our nation. The classroom is where the future of India is written, not in ink, but in values. Dear parents, the nation looks to you as its first educators. When children learn respect at home, responsibility in daily life, and love for the country through your actions, patriotism becomes a lived experience, not just a lesson. India's heritage is vast, diverse, and sacred. Our languages, traditions, faith, arts, and cultures form a magnificent mosaic. To preserve this heritage is not remain stuck in the past, but to carry forward its wisdom with pride and relevance. Let us celebrate unity without erasing diversity and progress without losing our soul. Before I conclude, allow me to share a small incident that reminds us that the patriotism begins not in the flagpole but in the heart of every citizen. Many years ago, in a small town in India, there lived a school teacher named Raman sir. Every year on Republic Day, he would wake up early, climb to the rooftop of his modest house and hoist the national flag. Neighbors often wondered why he did this so faithfully even when no one is watching. One year, a young student asked him, "Sir, why do you hoist the flag here when the whole town gathers at the school ground?" Raman sir smiled and said, "Because the flag must rise not only in public places, but first in our hearts and our homes." That year, due to heavy rain, the school function was cancelled. The town was quiet. Yet from one rooftop, the tricolour fluttered proudly. Slowly, one by one, people stepped out of their homes. Seeing the flag, they stood silently, some with folded arms, some with moist eyes. Later that evening, Raman sir told his students, "Freedom does not need a crowd. Patriotism does not need applause. If every citizen lives with honesty, responsibility and love for the country, the Republic will stand strong even in silence." From that day on, his students carried the lesson forward. One became a teacher, another a doctor, another a soldier. But all of them carried one thing in common. They lived the values of flag every day. On this Republic Day, let us remember the tricolour rises highest not on poles alone, but in lives lived with integrity, service and responsibility. A true republic thrives when its citizens exercise their privileges responsibly. Freedom without discipline becomes chaos. Rights without duties weaken democracy. Let us therefore pledge today to be law-abiding, environmentally conscious, socially sensitive, and morally upright citizens. As we salute our national flag today, let us also salute the everyday heroes, the soldier at the border,
the teacher in the classroom, the farmer in the field, the sanitation worker on our streets, each one strengthening the Republic through service. I appreciate the class teachers and the students who have given us a strong message of the Republic, giving salute to the armies, the soldiers who always guards us, protects our rights, protects our lives. And let this Republic Day awaken in us a living patriotism, one that speaks through our choices, shines through our conduct, and builds India we dream of. May our thoughts be noble, our actions responsible, and our hearts deeply in tune. Wishing you all
Happy Republic Day.
I remain. Thank you.
Thank you, sisters. Awards deserve recognition, appreciation, and encouragement. Awards are a symbol of hard work and perseverance done the whole night. So I request our president of the event, Reverend Dr. Sister Archana, to felicitate winners of various competitions.
Of first A. Second, Inaya Khan of first B. Third, Tiara Mehta of first C. Shrishti Patel, third position, first D, handwriting competition. Class second, Priyan Sarkar, first position. Arya Tiwari, second position. Third prize, Divyanshi Patel. Third prize, Earth Chen. From class third for the handwriting competition, first prize, Ashi Patidar. Second prize, Swara Patil. Third prize, Shambhavi Singh Rajput. All the handwriting competition students, be in a line for the photograph. Second prize, Abhinav Kaur. Third prize, Mitra Sabkar. Class second. First prize, Arpit Aranya. Second prize, Vedic Kahar. Third prize, Anvik Nagar. Third prize, again, Satakshi Malvi. Now for class 3, Harshita Singh, first prize. Aradhya Patel, second prize. And Pragati Gujjar, third prize. All the students of this page.
मैम पीछे पीछे अरे इतने टीचर है यार, बताना पड़ता है बार बार हर चीज। अब ले लो। हाँ चले।
Corner competition. First prize, Chandranshi Gautam.
बस आप ग्रुप फोटो ले लेना, मैं ये ऐसा चल रहा है ना, क्लोजअप चल रहा है।
Second, Lovyam Malviya, second prize. Manya Mandloi, second prize. Third, Sanvi Barbade. Third, Shriyan Srivastava.
sir. Class second. First prize Reyansh Yadav. First prize Tanvi Prajapati. First prize Vedika Soni. Second prize Hayati. Second prize Athar Ranjan. Again second prize Maria Santosh. Third prize Priyal Gupta. Third Arya Tiwari. Third prize Inaya Renu. Class B Gyanendra first prize. Risha Patil first prize. Halak Yadav second prize. Nimesh Nagar second prize. Siddhi Mishra third prize. Third again Shambhavi Singh Raji. Third Rajvi Gautam. Consolation prizes Dhanvi Mehta, Ashwin Singh and Nidhi Chauhan. All the creative line students, please come in front, come forward. Second, Anish Ajit Kumar. Third, Arnika Srivastav. Class second. I would like to call upon Sister Testin to please come and felicitate the winners. Second prize Anish Ajit Kumar. Third Arnika Srivastav and consolation Ayansh Verma. Second from class 2 Ishani Prajapati first prize. Second Arya Tiwari. Eek Parashar third prize. Now from class 3rd onwards, Shlok Sachin Pawar first. Swara Patil second. Swara Patil second. Rinsha Fatima third prize. And Dhanvi Panthar for consolation prize. Dhanvi Pathak consolation prize. Kumari, Amya Kumari, second. consolation prize. From class 3rd, first prize, Shivika Singh. Second, Khalad Yadav. Third, Khushika Sagar. And the consolation prize, Kriti Patel. All the winners come in front for the photograph. A huge clap for the winners, dear students. From class 3rd, first prize, Arav Pandey, Dhanvi Pathak, Shlok Sachin Pawar. Second prize, Kriti Khalid. Third, Hazel Tresa Jain. From class 4th, first prize, Richika Malviya. Second, Adishka Singh. And third, Atharv Upadhyay. Best in audience, Maya Pathak. From class 5th, first prize, Devanshi Sharma. Dear students, you have to take on the stage please for the photograph. A huge clap for the beginners, dear students.
रुक जाओ जाओ
Asmita Salukdar, Elisha Mushit, Paidar, Bhumik Malviya, Nisan, Nathan, Aradhya Malakar. First prize, patriotic competition. First prize, patriotic competition group.
रुकना
Aryan Verma, Ashka Gupta, Yashika, Ayushman, Simon, Arjun Nair, Ayushi, Ananya Jain, Soumya, and Naira. Patriotic singing, second prize.
सिस्टर पीछे हो गई
Put your hands all together, dear students, for our champions. Real Shukla, Tanesh Thankhola, Anshika Singh, Anna Sharma, Parth Patel, Anant Jain, Pratha Patidar, Vedika Gaur, Sejal, Rishika Joshi, Arav Mishra, Anushka Gupta, Hani Srivastav, Kartik Chauhan and Vedika Patidar. First prize, for patriotic skit. Let's cheer loudly for them, dear students. Ishan, Athar, Devan, Saurabh, Satvik, Lavisha, Swarit, Arush, Samar Singh, Ram Chauhan, Pranav Chauhan, Anya, Brenda, Lakshit, Gautam, Purvi and Elisha. Maurya, Aradhya Malakar, Adeshna Singh, Anya, Danika, Aditi, Akshar, Soumya, Kashmi, Aradhya, Diksha Chaudhary, Gayatri Gautam and Swara Jain. Let's give a big round of applause to our winners. Manya Suhane, Abhyukta Mishra, Yashasvi Chaturvedi, Vanshika, Kanishka, Ahana, Vansh Pradeep, Vani, Adaya Robin, Rishi Dutt, Devesh Raghuvanshi, Pachi, Kashmi Singh, and Sri Mishra. Put your hands together for the winners. Let's give a big round of applause to our
अब मंच को सुशोभित करने आ रही है हिंदी माध्यम की प्रतिभाशाली छात्रा।
To our respected principal, Sister Archana, teachers, staff, parents, and my dear friends. Today, as we gather here to celebrate 77th Republic Day, we remember this historic day when our Constitution came into effect, paving the way for the world's largest democracy. Republic Day is not just a date on the calendar. It's a symbol of our unity and commitment to the values of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Our Constitution, crafted with great care and wisdom, ensures that every citizen's rights are protected. Today, instead of asking what our leaders give us, let us ask ourselves what are we giving back to our nation. We should respect different opinions, and by following different rules, we are strengthening our democracy. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar reminded us that democracy survives not just because of our constitution, but because citizens have responsibility. So this Republic Day, let us promise to study honestly, act truthfully, and respect one another, not out of fear, but out of love and pride for our nation. Let us not wait to grow up to serve India. Let's start today, being a law-abiding, responsible citizen. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, thank you.
As we move towards the conclusion of today's program, we proudly present a grand finale dance. This performance showcases the rich cultural heritage of India, from north to south, east to west. This performance highlights the unity and diversity of our nation. Let's enjoy this vibrant performance of our great India.
पधारो हमारे देश
हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत के देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। तेरा हिमालय आकाश छूले, बहती रहे तेरी गंगा, ऊंचा हो इतना इतना बुलंद हो, तारों पर चूमे तिरंगा, माँ से है माटी सौ बारी जान मैं तुझ पे हारना, सौ बारी जान मैं तेरे कुर्बान तेरी मां।
Of you present. On this proud and historic occasion of Republic Day, I feel profoundly indebted to express my gratitude towards everyone who has contributed to making today's celebration redolent with purpose, memorable and inspiring. First and foremost, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our Honorable President of the occasion, Reverend Dr. Sister Archana, for gracing this auspicious occasion with your magnanimous presence and for sharing such motivating and enlightening words. I express my deepest gratitude to our respected Reverend Sister Jyoti, Vice Principal Reverend Sister Jasmine, Headmistress Chavra Block, Sister Regina, Sister Darshana, and all dignitaries whose constant guidance, blessings, and visionary leadership form the strong foundation of every successful program in our school. I would also like to convey my warm and heartfelt thanks to our loving class teachers, Shalini and Jyoti ma'am. A special note of appreciation to Nikhil sir and Suman ma'am for their constant support and empowerment as well as invaluable guidance. My sincere thanks to all our venerable teachers and supporting staff for their dedication, hard work and tireless efforts behind the scenes. We sincerely thank our esteemed parents for their constant encouragement and cooperation that make every school event meaningful, fruitful and triumphant. A big round of applause and thanks to my dear classmates and fellow students of class 7C and D for their enthusiasm. Special appreciation goes to the wonderful students of class 7D and all sections of class 6 for their excellent performances and wholehearted participation in today's Republic Day celebration. I conclude with a short poem dedicated to our beloved. ना पूछो मेरी पहचान क्या है, मेरा भारत ही मेरी शान है, संविधान मेरा स्वाभिमान है, तिरंगा मेरी जान है। जय हिंद, जय भारत।